Hey guys, in this video I'm going to let you know how long does it take for money to transfer from Zable to your bank account. So the time it takes for money to transfer from Zable to your bank account can vary depending on the several factors. So Zable typically processes withdrawal requests within a certain time frame, which can vary depending on a specific withdrawal method like standard bank transfer or instant transfer. And after Zable processes the withdrawal, the time is taken for the money to appear in your bank account. That can depend on your bank's processing time. Some bank may offer process income transfer more quickly, and the transfer may be affected by weekends, holiday, and bank operating hours as well. Withdrawal requests made outside of the normal banking hours may take longer time to process, and in some cases Zable may require additional verification step before processing a withdrawal, which could extend the processing time. The country's specific factors. If you're transferring money internationally, additional factors such as currency conversion and international banking procedures may take time. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.